Sawubona mngani, welcome back to Zulu Lessons with Thando, the place for modern conversational Zulu language lessons. Let's learn conjunctions in isiZulu. A conjunction is a type of speech that is used to join or put together phrases or words or clauses or sentences. We will only cover 3 conjunctions in this lesson: and, but, and because. And in isiZulu is na, N-A, na. When we join 2 words using the word and, we would use na in isiZulu at the beginning of the second word or item that we are listing. Now remember, in isiZulu, nouns start with vowels. You remember the noun prefixes that we learned just a while ago? Nouns always start with vowels. Now, na is also a vowel. So to put na and the noun together, we now have 2 vowels together. And those 2 vowels now change, or they merge and they become another vowel. If you put na and a, you have na. If you put na and I, you have ne. If you put na and u, you have no. So let's make an example. My father likes meat and dumplings. Meat in isiZulu is Inyama. Dumplings in isiZulu, namadombolo. Namadombolo. So if we now must put these 2 together using a conjunction in isiZulu, we would say Inyama namadombolo. Amadombolo start with a vowel a, and our conjunction is na. So we put those 2 together, we drop the one a, and we have na madombolo. And you must also note that the na forms part of the second word. She took the car and the house. The car in isiZulu, imoto. The house in isiZulu, indlu. Now, indlu, the house, it starts with the vowel I. Now we have to join these 2 together. We are using the conjunction na. So the na plus the I join together and we have ne, N-E, ne. So we would say Uthathe imoto nendlu. So now we have changed now completely from the N-A and the I, and we now have the E, nendlu. Another example of how the vowel changes when we have a conjunction is when we are naming people, for example. This one mainly applies to class 1, 1A, and class 2. If I'm talking about my parents, I would say my mother and my father love me. Umama nobaba bayangithanda. Mother is Umama, father is Ubaba. Now they start with the vowel U. The na and the U would now join and they would become no. So Umama nobaba. Say if we're talking about my sister and my brother, Udadewethu nomfowethu. All on their own it would be Udadewethu and it would be umfowethu. But together it is Udadewethu nomfowethu. The next conjunction is but. In isiZulu that is kodwa. Kodwa. Now remember how to pronounce the K. The sound comes from right at the back of your mouth. So for example, you would say, I'm going, but I don't really want to. Ngiyahamba, kodwa angifuni. So another example is, it's a nice gift, but I don't like it. Isipho esihle, kodwa angisithandi. She is smart, but she is lazy. Uhlakaniphile, kodwa uyivila. The third conjunction is because. Ngoba. Ngoba. She didn't go to school because she's sick. Akayanga esikoleni ngoba uyagula. Akayanga esikoleni ngoba uyagula. Uya egroundini ngoba uthanda ukudlala ibhola. Uya egroundini ngoba uthanda ukudlala ibhola. Now, obviously there you can tell that I've used a borrowed word because remember I said to you there is no R in isiZulu. So, egroundini, in the grounds or in the field, that is a borrowed word. So, he went to the field because he likes to play soccer. Ngila ngoba ngidinga usizo lwakho. I'm here because I need your help. Ngila ngoba ngidinga usizo lwakho. UJack uqulekile ngoba bekushisa. Jack collapsed because it was hot. UJack uqulekile ngoba bekushisa. Asikwazi ukulala ngoba kunomsindo. We can't sleep because it's noisy. Asikwazi ukulala ngoba kunomsindo. Thank you for your time, friend. Ngiyabonga ngesikhathi sakho mngani. Cindezela la ukuthi ubone izifundo ezidlulile. Click here so you can see the past lessons. Usale kahle mngani.